on Alexa, Google Assistant, getting set up for Voice Wizards. You able to read any of that?
Yeah. Um. What? It was. I have my notes here. Okay. Console.actions.google.com. Let me open that up real quick before I even start.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay. Nice.
And I predict as long as we don't get any bugs on our side that we need to fix,
Okay.
I think we should be able to get it, fill in content, and get it published before 10:30. So I'll just put those goals up. We started at 9:45.
Yes.
Well, you guys 8:45.
Okay.
Eastern time. EST. Finish. 10:30 Eastern time. That was funny to watch. Jacob was so focused until that happened.
I almost flipped backwards. Oh, gosh.
Cool.
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 Okay.
All right. So let me go to Google Actions real quick.
You're going through the sheet? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Hmm. Wait. Oh. Share. Two. No. Oh, that's why. All right. Let me. Conversational. Come on now. Just give me 1 second, Patrick. I'm trying to get everything set up before I.
All good.
Copy project ID.
Oh, I can't see from here.
Okay. Turn it off. Turn it off.
No. I don't know where we're at because I missed the beginning part. So you're starting with one, copy project ID. So you go to invocation. Name of business, save, develop, action, add your first action. Did you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Click gear in the top left.
It didn't say. Go here. Brother. Share. Arbitrary 2.
Okay. Oh,
Hey Patrick, do you want me to put my screen up here?
That would be cool. That would be
He's
great.
he's.
That would
Oh.
be great.
Are we stuck? I feel like that's.
I'm having fun staring at you guys. Seeing the screen may be helpful.
Okay. So wait. Right here?
So are you guys creating Turtles Tap 3 or are we working on Barber Chair 2?
Oh, I was working on Barber Chair 2. Okay. So,
Maybe you need. There's
Chair
two.
Mm-hmm. Yep, looks good. Looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Nice.
Saved. My actions.
Bum bum bum. All right, now question. Let's see what I can't see the top. Are you guys signed into the same account?
No, this should be mine.
Hit the, how do I find out? Click account down on the bottom left.
We gotta, like,
Yeah, in the bottom left corner of your account. Yeah, that's fine.
it's fine.
It's in the right account?
Yeah, it's in mine.
Huh. Go back to the first tab, Actions on Google. Let's try it again. Why is this doing this? This happened last time.
It wasn't my, like,
I saw it. I saw it. You're not... I believe you. I heard it.
just start again. Yeah.
Okay, so if you click that one.
Mhm.
Develop. Okay, it pops up on the screen.
Nice.
Okay. I go here.
Not yet. Not yet.
Is it create first?
Yes. The most important part is that Google Project one where it says agent will be linked with Barber Chair 2 Google Project.
Yeah.
Because that means that it's linking it with your action on Google that you already created.
Okay. Project ID still in here. Unless that is the project ID.
That's it.
Hmm. Go to here.
Cool. You've created your action on Google. Perfect. And now you are saving it into Firebase.
Yes.
And here we will hit our first. What? And you'll see it when you're trying to find the business.
Two. Select voice wizards. Wait. Come on. Come on. Select voice wizards.
Nice. Perfect.
And we go to develop. Quick develop database. So right here.
Nice. And you'll notice it's not there, right? The first thing we want to do is launch Skill Creator and then create Barber Chair 2 using your voice.
Hey Google, open voice wizards. My business's name is Barber Chair 2. Yes. Eight 582-8750. Cool.
Okay. Now it should be in here, so you might just have to refresh.
Wait 1 second.
I'm watching. Now I couldn't hear Google. Did she say the name as you thought it was? Barber Chair 2?
Yeah, Barber Chair 2. That's
Okay.
what she said it was.
I'm checking somewhere else on my side.
Okay. Okay, let's beat Ohio State.
It looks like it is running with the business name being my business's name is Barber Chair 2.
Of course she does. Yep, got it right here.
Ah. There it is. Okay, cool. So it was down in the M's and not in the B's. So I think we should try it again with Google, and let's try getting the right name.
Okay. Hey Google, open Voice Wizard.
Here's voice wizard.
And you can interrupt if you already know what you're going to say. You just interrupt by saying its name.
Hey Google, my business is. Oh. Hey Google, open Voice Wizard. Hey Google, Barber Chair 2. Yes.
Wonderful. You are upgraded. Please say
815-941-4444.
Cool. Now try scrolling up. Let's see if it's there. I think I saw it just get created.
Okay. Yep.
Nice. Okay, so now it's running in the background with everything. So now you can keep moving forward with the Google sheet that you were doing with the step-by-steps.
Okay. Wait. Where's my paste? Time out.
Are you trying to change the business name?
No. I'm trying to find paste project ID and business name of project. I'll select develop. Database. Paste project ID. How come there's no project ID?
You have to create project ID.
Oh.
so add the field.
Should I add a step on there that explicitly outlines this one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going back there now.
So, dude, add field.
Yep. And what is that? Field ID and value?
Field. No D.
Yeah, all lowercase project and then a capital I, lowercase d. All one word.
Lose the space. Bring your phone.
Patrick.
Coming back. Sorry, I was trying to update it for you. Yes. What's your question?
String fine.
Yep, string's perfect.
And value is the project ID.
Yep.
Sick. Sick.
Hey!
So we want add field, and then we want field ID to be project ID. And the value is project ID.
Okay. Hey Google, tell Skill Creator to update Barber Chair 2. This doesn't work. Break it down. Hello.
A lot more info in there, right?
Hold on a second. I don't know where to look. Did you send it through email?
Send it on Slack. If you open up a new tab and start typing voicefirsttech.slack.com, it should autofill.
You just hit the Slack icon right here,
Oh, even faster. Even
and
faster.
then drop them. Yep. And then voice first tech. Oh,
This one.
no,
Uh,
you're good.
In the top left, hover over voice first and click that little drop down arrow and change it to voice first tech.
Which first?
And then click voice wizards.
There it is.
There you go. That works.
That's good enough?
Yep.
Awesome. In the top right, you can click the download button. The little cloud with the arrow. Yeah.
You're good.
You could print it if you want.
Okay.
Cool. We got the project ID in there. Nice work.
Yep.
Nice
And
work.
then now it's say the name of the device that I'm using, and then tell Skill Creator to update Barber Chair 2.
Yeah. And if it might not hear Barber Chair 2, so you might have to do it one at a time. You might have to say talk to Skill Creator, and then once it prompts you, then say update Barber Chair 2.
Hey Google, talk to Skill Creator. What? Hey Google, talk to Skill Creator. Skill Bill Creator. Hey Google, talk to Skill Creator. Not scale. Hey Google, talk to Skill Creator. That's it.
Hey Google, practice skill creator. Now interrupt Patrick.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Update barber chair 2.
What did it just create? It created one right below. What is that? Barber chair TO?
Yeah, because it's not coming
That's
up.
what
My business is barber chair 2. Update barber chair 2. Update barber chair 2.
Great. Thank you for using
Barber chair.
All right, I see an update running. Let's see what we got. We got It's updating barber chair 2 with the TO. So, the current barriers I'm seeing that we've run into so far. The first one, the business name was misheard, and it got my business's barber chair 2 instead of just barber chair 2. And now, after we were able to get it created, this time when you were trying to update, you told it barbershop 2, and instead of updating the existing barbershop number 2, it created barber chair TO, which it is now updating. Downside of that one is it's not linked to our Google, so it's not actually updating the right one. So those are the two things we're running into right now. Both of them, I'd say, are related to the number 2 in the name. I'm trying to think of how we get over this so that it makes more sense for you guys in the future. For now, why don't you add the project You've got so many barber chair 2s. How do we do this so that Jacob can continue to create this for the barber shop that he wants to show this to this afternoon? Well, we needed to understand one, but it continues to switch between the two depending on whether Google hears the number 2 or the word TO, which sound exactly the same. So what should we do? I think if this was a high-paying client, we would do both. That way we dominate the market and we make sure that we capture both of the domains. Now this is just an experiment, so we don't want to build out 2 of them. I guess we have to pick right now which one we think Google is going to hear more of. Do you think Google is... Let me pull out my phone and see which way Google hears it if I just say barbershop 2.
barbershop. I have a
Talk
question
to
though.
barbershop... Oh, yeah, what's up, Don?
Number 1, why can't it just be like barber chair or the barber chair?
Because that's the name.
It could be. You guys could.
That's the name. That's the name.
Barber
of the,
chair?
It's the barber chair.
The
2.
barber chair
No,
too.
no, it's barber chair 2.
Okay, it's the name of the business.
Yes.
So can we say update barber chair number 2?
Look at.
Okay.
Why don't you want to try that and see what happens? Talk to
I
barber
can
chair
give it a
2.
shot.
The first thing that comes up on my screen when I say barber chair 2 is TO instead of the number 2. So I'm going to sign into a different account and try it again, but my current impulse is we should build out barber chair TO instead of barber chair number 2. But I like what Don's saying. Try saying number 2 when you say the update command.
Hey Google, open skill creator.
Let's get skill creator. Welcome. This is skill creator.
Talk to barber chair 2.
What?
Update barber chair number 2.
Talk to barber chair number 2.
Nope. Created a new one.
It created, with number, the word number in there.
Wait. Hey, let me try this.
Can you use a number one?
I'll have to say pound.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
GPS signal lost.
Can I just update, like...
I'm writing down what you're doing so that I can show the engineers later.
How do I delete that one?
If you want to delete it, select it. And now in the top right, click the 3 dots. And then hit delete document.
Okay.
And you updated D and then inside of D, business.
Yes.
Cool. Modify D business to...
Hey Google. Open Skill Creator. Update barber chair number 2. Oh. Just created a new one.
Did she create a new one again?
Yep.
Okay.
This is the only one that I want right here.
Mm-hmm.
So
I think what we should do is we should go with the one barber chair TO, and we should delete the rest.
okay.
But before you delete, make sure you've copied the project ID over into this new one.
You have to edit. You know.
I'm starting to think that even all of this may be easier for Jacob if it was a web interface instead of voice interface.
I kind of. Okay.
It's dodged out.
What?
It's frozen.
What's up?
What's frozen?
Oh, let me just. I'm just gonna bring it back to us.
There you guys are.
What'd you say? What?
Oh, you're saying interface.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear us now?
For some reason, I can hear Jacob, but Dawn sounds very far away.
All right. Well.
There,
it
now I can
wasn't.
hear you. Now I can hear you.
Okay, I was just out of microphone range. And web interface does seem easy, but this isn't that bad. I think a couple, like, if I just work with him to work through this,
Mm-hmm.
it should be as easy as voice, right? That's our goal?
Yeah, we already have this built, so I'm watching
Right.
Jacob go through it, and I see you getting this number 2. I'm like, I feel like we may have just picked a challenging one because the number 2
Well, it's
has
always good to.
can be spelled
It's always
TOO, TO,
Yeah.
as well as the number 2, as well as the spelling of TWO. There's 4 different ones for barbershop, and that it might just be this one, but it might not. So I was just voicing it. I'm gonna take all these to the engineers in the afternoon and talk to them about it.
Hey, let's try this one. Here, hey Patrick,
Sir,
we're gonna start over real quick.
awesome.
Patrick, are you good?
I'm good. I'm good. You guys are the
Okay.
priority.
Let's try this again. Let's do
Write down what you want to say so that you have it written down. Are we building a new skill?
What's the new one?
Starting.
Give me a sec.
Lou, there's really nobody here.
Mom, stay here. Louis Barbershop.
Louis Barbershop. We're gonna do a new one. Louis. He's bound and determined to make this work. Okay.
Louis Barbershop.
Louis Barbershop.
Hey Google, open Voice Wizard.
Louis. I wonder how it'll hear Louis.
Hey Google, open Voice Wizards.
What'd she respond with?
It said Voice Wizards isn't responding right now.
What? Talk to voice wizards.
Hey Google, talk to Voice Wizards. Google's a little different.
Sorry, Voice Wizards isn't responding right now. Please try again soon.
Reporting that to the devs. I see it on my side as well. Talk to voice wizards.
Sorry, Voice Wizards.
Talk to voice wizards. Talk to voice wizards.
Sure, for. Sorry, Voice Wizard.
Well, I don't know why. It was working a couple minutes ago and now it's not. So I'm gonna bring that to the devs. We'll figure out. I've got 4 things on here so far to talk to them about. First, the business name was misheard. Second, it updated the incorrect business. It heard 2 as opposed to TO. Third, Jacob went in and tried to modify the business name to Barberchair 2. So I'll talk to the devs about what that could mean. And then finally, Voice Wizards isn't responding right now.
Okay.
I see
Alright.
this as a point where the app is. I would like to talk with the dev team about what's gone on with this so that way we can make it better.
Okay.
But I'm also down if you guys want to try it on Alexa. If Voice Wizards may be working on Alexa, and we might be able to push through. I'm up to what you guys want right now.
Hey Alexa, open Voice Wizards. Alexa, open Voice Wizards. Responding. Okay.
Sorry, I haven't had access to your Voice Wizard skill range.
She said Voice Wizards isn't responding.
Yep.
Got it.
It's okay. So here, this is what we'll do. So Wednesday morning, I start at 11. We have to do this early if we want to do it because I have to be at work early on Wednesday though, at like 10:45. So we will have a call at 8.
We have.
You understand? Okay. Thursday I work all week 11 to 8. So Thursday we could do it whatever day works good for you guys without stand-ups or whatever, but it has to be at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's the only way that I could do it.
You say Wednesday?
We said Wednesday.
Okay. I'll talk to the team. I'll tell them no stand-ups on Wednesday, and we'll do this instead on Wednesday.
Okay. And then we'll figure out like it's.
In the meantime,
We will keep trying.
just let me know what they say about this bill, and maybe everything.
Wait, Donna. I can't hear you.
I said, let me know what they say about the skill because we'll keep trying, so that on Wednesday, hopefully, he can already have like one where he went in, got the project ID, updated it, so that it takes the 5 minutes that it should take, not 45.
Okay. Cool.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna say that a lot of this is on us. I'm gonna take a lot of responsibility for this because my goal is to make this super easy for you guys. So I'm trying to remove all these steps because I'm sitting here and I'm watching and I'm like, Jacob's end goal is to design and to publish, and this is technical stuff that I don't want time to get spent in here when you guys are creating stuff. So I'm trying to figure out how to remove this time waste from you guys just in total.
But I really feel like it's just a 5-minute thing if everything's working.
Right. Today, I think the biggest one today was the TWO.
Yeah.
Because Google, we understood that it was TWO, but like, is it the number 2? Is it TO? Is it TOO? Is it the spelled out TWO? Which way do we want it? It's Google doesn't understand. And Louise, I'm wondering the same. Is there one standard spelling of Louise? Talk to Louise Barber. So it's spelled Louise,
Here's what I found on the web.
Louis.
Yeah, it's Louies.
Talk to Louise Barber.
I found these results.
So even that, the understanding is off. Now, our team, a lot of our artists have this problem of it's misunderstanding. So we now have contacts at Google that when this kind of stuff happens, we just send them a message and we record Louise Barbershop. Louise Barbershop. We literally just record us saying that into a mic, and then we send that to Google, and then Google modifies the Google Assistant to understand, oh, when it sounds like this, it should spell it like this. But we can't do that
Okay.
until it's actually been published on the store.
Okay.
So it's kind of like Alexa not knowing Dawn. I mean, I think we're going to run into that if it's not like ABC plumbing or something simple.
Yeah. Yes. Names are discoverability is the biggest challenge on voice right now.
And then, so those are invocation names, correct?
Correct.
So but we can't really, like on Google, we can't have multiple invocations and if it's not picking it up at all. But on Alexa, we could say it different way. Different people can, like, you can spell it out. I know with the Alexas, we've been able to like spell things out so it picks things up differently.
Ah, I didn't even think of trying that. Well, we had the number 2 in there, but you can do that with Google. You can spell things out.
I want to know, like,
Okay.
I want to know if, like, people have accents. If it's going to change that.
Accents are an issue.
Yep.
Accents are definitely an issue.
I mean, I definitely want to make, like, just in case. That way if...
That's a known problem, though.
What?
Accents are an issue.
Accents are 100% an issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we both, all 3 of us have Midwestern accents. Very, very easy for Google to understand us.
Yes.
Yeah.
People who are not U.S. born or who have an accent, it's definitely Google's getting better every day. It's AI, but 100% an issue as of today.
Yeah.
I feel like that's gonna be...
This isn't a bad thing, though. I mean, we're learning, and I think it's just a matter of practicing, and maybe let's pick something that's simple to practice on, so that we don't get hung up on twos and Louis and
Cool.
let's pick a business like Phil's. Like how many? It could be FILL, PHIL. I mean.
Yeah, I typically like to research on the phone first. If you guys have Google Assistant on the phone, just search Phil's Barbershop. For me, it's spelled at
I
PHIL.
found a few barber shops near you.
That's it. That's
It showed up on our
PHIL. So this is something that we've been doing in our research before building is we seek to understand before we try to be understood by Google. Seek to understand how is Google currently understanding this? Are we tapping into the existing, she already understands this, or are we fighting her current understanding to try to create our place?
Okay. Yeah, because Phil's came up, like the one that he's talking about.
Are they also a barbershop?
On the map, with a map on Google. So, and it was PHILS.
And that's a barbershop?
So that would be good.
Cool.
That one would work.
So we'll do them.
And that's exactly how it's spelled, too.
Yeah. So, I mean, I agree with you. Like, test it first before you go building a company. See how Google or Alexa's understanding you.
Yeah.
Because Voice Wizards is great. Voice, understood word. Wizards, understood word. There's no... Voice is spelled this way and Wizards is spelled this way. You guys did perfect with creating the name for your business. Barber Chair 2 was built in a world of brick and mortar business. And now coming into this Internet of Things, there's going to be some problems with the brand name. In the same way that spelling October Jones with a Z, I mean, it may have made sense for you in IG land, but in Voice, spelling October Jones with a Z is very challenging.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the problem. That was like there's several businesses that there's a problem with that. So, but like you said, if we research it first, and you could go back and say, we're going to have to do it like this in order for it to be understood in Voice, then at least you can explain. Okay. All right. So when are we doing this again? Wednesday?
Wednesday at 8 your guys' time.
If
8 and 9 your time.
If they have an issue with stand-ups, though, we could make stand-ups like a minute, 2 minutes. Like
Nobody will have an issue with us canceling stand-ups. Literally, Samir and Ian will be great. They will love sleeping in.
Okay. All right.
Perfect.
Awesome. I'll talk to the engineers this afternoon. Do you guys have anything else for me today?
No, I don't. I just want to play around with it, so I'll keep testing to see if it's working, so that we can. I want him to be able to. You sign up. You come on the call. He starts, goes A to Z, and he's done. And I want it to be in under 5 minutes.
So then when we do
Great goal.
when we do this the next time, and we have everything, we know everything is right, I'm gonna start a timer and
Yeah.
get it done within 5 minutes.
Yeah, you could have Samuel Jackson do your time because I added him yesterday
I know.
because I like him.
Do you know that?
I need
You
to
know
I need to
that?
do a podcast on that. I heard that it came out, but I have not. I need to find the official article that talks about it. That way we can do it on our podcast. Cause is it cool?
On Samuel Jackson?
Yeah,
Yeah, it cost me 99 cents.
which is nothing. But it's cool.
Here,
It's cool. It was fun.
Here, listen to this, Patrick.
Here, go upload. I gotta grab it.
Give me a sec. It's so funny.
Hello?
Alexa, talk to Sam.
I couldn't find a camera.
Oh. Alexa, talk to Sam.
I couldn't find a camera.
Alexa, talk to Samuel L. Jackson.
I heard it ask to say your accent. I can't really find
Maybe it's no.
Okay. You can always add it later in the podcast in your Alexa.
Maybe it's only under the one inside the kitchen.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's hilarious. Like you could play rock paper scissors with them. Are you still recording this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Cancel the recording. Don't want to swear on the recording.